Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Coraseal water-based rust converter. Coraseal is the best way to deal with rust because it is less expensive, less time-consuming, and is much more than sandblasting. Coraseal eliminates the need to sandblast rust by chemically converting rust from iron oxide to magnetite, a black and inert substance. Coraseal Rust Converter is your best rust treatment and corrosion control option because it meets all your metal surface preparation needs by converting the rust and priming the metal surface at the same time. Don't remove rust, convert rust. Coraseal Rust Converter is an elite, industrial-strength product for all your marine, household, automotive, and industrial rust problems. Extend the life of your metal equipment by protecting it from rust and corrosion. Rust occurs naturally when the iron in steel oxidizes and returns to its original state, iron oxide. Through an innovative chemical conversion process, Coraseal Rust Converter converts rust into a stable substance, magnetite. It also primes the surface with a high-quality latex metal primer at the same time. Coraseal truly provides one-step corrosion control. Evaporust effortlessly removes rust from automotive parts, hardware, tools, cookware, and antiques without any scrubbing or sanding. This metal rust remover is made of a non-toxic and water-based solution that is easy to use on automotive, household and industrial-grade metal parts. It contains no harmful acids, solvents, bases, odors or fumes. Our second best rust converter is Rust Cutter Stops Rust Converts. Rust Cutter is a balanced formula that causes rust to chemically change to phosphate. A coat of paint attaches itself so closely to the metal that moisture and oxygen cannot attack the surface, resulting in a much longer paint job. This product is thin like water, so it spreads easily and covers a large area and primes metal. It is not a paint. A rust converter is a specialized product designed to convert rust into a more stable and non-reactive compound that can be painted over. Rust converters work by chemically reacting with the rust, breaking it down into a stable, black compound that can be easily painted over. This product is ideal for use on metal surfaces that have rusted, such as car bodies, metal tools, and outdoor equipment. Rust converters can also be used to help prevent further rust formation by creating a protective barrier on the surface of the metal. Rust converters are easy to apply and can be used with a brush, roller, or spray gun, depending on the size and complexity of the surface being treated. Third in our list is FDC Rust Converter. Rust Converter Ultra halts existing rust and prevents future corrosion with a durable and protective barrier without the need of time-consuming sandblasting, grinding or scraping. If you're dealing with a larger amount of rust or if it's a more severe rust problem, the FDC Rust Converter Ultra might be just what you need. It comes in a gallon container so you get a lot of product, in fact far more than you'll likely need. That's because each gallon can cover a total of 500 square feet, which is more than enough to cover your entire car or truck. But what really sets this rust converter apart from the rest of the products is how well it handles severe rust. It's also easy to break down for small projects, and it is easy to scale up for larger tasks. Furthermore, the manufacturers make Rust Converter Ultra right in the United States, allowing you to support local jobs. However, it is a slightly more expensive option since you have to purchase an entire gallon of the stuff, and you'll still need some sort of brush or roller to apply it. It's a great deal, but if you only have one small project, getting Rust Converter Ultra is probably a little overkill. Number 4 in our best rust converter list is Genolite Rust Converter. The protective polymer coating can be left as is, or finished with your choice of water-based or oil-based paints. The sealed surface prevents the return of rust and provides a barrier to water vapor, oxygen and carbon dioxide, with excellent resistance to bacterial growth, chemical attack and salt spray. Advanced water-based formula treats rust, converting it into a stable and hydrophobic surface. Rust is chemically converted and encapsulated, leaving a durable and hard-wearing black surface. Simple to use, converts rust to a ready-to-paint surface with no need for a primer. Shake the bottle well, open the trigger spray to your desired formation and spray directly onto the rusted area. To ensure a full coverage, work well into any pitted areas, corners and edges using a brush. Ensure that exposed corners and edges are well treated to avoid rust creep beneath. The non-corrosive rust remover can be used to remove rust from all metals including auto parts, tools, cast iron cookware, clocks, grills, and more. To remove rust from your metal parts, submerge completely in the water-based rust remover. Once rust is removed, rinse with water and protect with corrosion inhibitor. Anti-rust paint is an incredible, single-component, ready-to-use, high solids content, rust-preventive coating and stop rust paint with insane sealing properties. Our last pick is Zion Lab 2-in-1 Rust Converter. Save precious time and effort with the Zion Lab Ultimate Rust Reformer. Our rusty metal primer is specifically designed to stop rust by converting even damp rusted metal surfaces to phosphate without heavy scraping or sandblasting. Our rust neutralizer will cover up to 1,000 square feet per gallon, and up to 125 square foot per pint, so you can protect your metal surfaces from further corrosion. You can dilute it with 20% water and use a spray gun to apply this one-step rust treatment solution to all your rusty metallic surfaces with zero effort. You can easily apply oil-based, water-based, enamels or any other top coating you like. Or you can go ahead and save your hard-earned money and skip on the top coating, since our industrial strength rust remover and primer does not require a top coat. Thanks to our water-based formula, your tools can be washed quickly without any soap or chemical products. Plus, our UV and hydrogen sulfide resistant, professional grade corrosion converter is safer for the environment, non-flammable, contains less than 1% VOCs, no lead, and no oily solvents for resins. Our mission is to offer you pro-grade solutions for your renovation or construction projects. And we know that impeccable quality is your top priority. This anti-rust paint is the most permanent cost-effective solution for stopping rust and corrosion any place where it is a problem: home, automotive, industry, fleet, farm and more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!